My name is Senior Airman Isaiah G, and I'm from Stockton, California. I am a hydraulics technician, and I work in the back shop right here. And we get components that come off the jet, and we take them apart, we test them, inspect them, make sure they're all good, and we send them back out. And I went to Japan too for 2 weeks. That was amazing. Yeah, so it was a 2-week trip out there, and it was just like our annual tour for 2 weeks that we do. So then I got to explore all over the place, yeah, on my free time. So it was a good time for sure. So that's definitely something that's a incentive to joining. I'd say accessories is a really fun flight. I mean, there's a ton of jobs here, but accessories is cool if you like to be hands-on and you like mechanical stuff and understanding these concepts and working with a bunch of tools and a bunch of great guys. So, yeah.
So the 144th Fighter Wing out of Fresno for the Air National Guard, they originated it with doing just a simple career fair for the base. And so what we did when I was in the Air National Guard at the 129th Rescue Wing, Moffett Field, we fine-tuned it to be an aviation career fair. And so where we paid for people to come out and eat, we set up the aircrafts in the background and just house people on a recruiting aspect to have them become interested in joining. And so that filtered all the way to now being hosted at Travis Air Force Base. But we did it 4 years in a row over there, minus the COVID years. And it went really well for that base down south.
When I was the commander of the 349th Maintenance Squadron about 4 years ago, this is when it all started. From the 129th, which we worked together, I actually helped start a little bit with that event because we were struggling more or less on the maintenance side. So what we did was we organized this whole event, trying to figure out a way that we could bring people in. So we streamlined the entire process, try to bring everybody together at one location with all the booths, and we're able to talk about every job. And this is not just maintenance now, it is the Mission Support Group, which is what I command right now, medical, and even ops. So we're trying to get the entire wing to get involved with this, which has been fantastic. And so the nice thing about this is our 4th year, and we are starting to see the effects right now of people saying, I'm raising my right hand because of that experience, that reserve recruiting experience, which really got me excited about joining the military and the Air Force Reserve in particular. So it has really started to grow, and it's all about word of mouth and trying to get out here and actually see the event. So it is fantastic. I'm loving it. So.
What's your name? Where are you from?
Beatrice Munoz, or Tech Sergeant Munoz. I am from Merced, California. I've been in the Air Force Reserves for just shy of 9 years. On the outside, I'm a police officer with City of Pleasant Hill. I've been with them for about, a little over 6 years. So I'm part of security forces, but my job specifically right now is combat arms, so training, maintenance, making sure that all the folks on base are getting qualified. It's a little bit different than policing on patrol on a day-to-day basis. 9 years that I've been in the unit, I've been to a lot of really cool places. So security forces offers that, right? Because we need cops everywhere on all bases. So it's great.
This is a life of service. And so if you're interested in serving and raising your right hand to serve, you will be happy in the United States military, whether it's the United States Air Force, Air Force Reserve, or any of our other sister services. But that is the key. You must have a calling on your heart to serve. But what we can offer you, if you do have that calling on your heart, is you can live locally, but you can serve globally.